Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Fliki AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Fliki AI's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in app.fliki.ai and make a search. The official page of Fliki AI will appear on the screen. You can log into your Fliki AI's account using your Google, Facebook, LinkedIn or email as well. Here I'm gonna log into my Fliki AI account using email. So I'm gonna enter my email address and password associated with my Fliki AI's account and tap on submit. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot password option. This is how you can log into your Fliki AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.